There are lots of reasons why our homes can feel overwhelming, that the mess is just too much for us to handle in any given day. Here are some of my favorite tips to keeping on top of your home without feeling overwhelmed. One thing I discovered when my kids were very little is that accidents are bound to happen, and whether it's kids or pets or just accidents in general, one great way to stay on top of things without feeling overwhelmed is to go the extra mile when you're cleaning up an accident. If time allows, spend some time to clean that area a little bit deeper, to go a little bit further than just where the spill was, and over time these little extra jobs all add up and make things feel so much more achievable. If your home is feeling really out of sorts, sometimes it's okay to just let these deep cleaning jobs go by, and other times I really do like to spend the time in those high functioning spaces to go the extra mile and get rid of all of the dirt and start afresh. One of my favorite things to do when my mind is overwhelmed is to write a really detailed list of all of the things I would like to do. And even if I don't get everything done in any given day, I can always come back tomorrow. One area that often feels like a huge task to me are my bathrooms, and this simple trick of using a garden sprayer and some cleaning fluid has made my life so much easier. I can get both my bathrooms clean in a fraction of the time, and if you struggle with any mobility issues, this is a great way of feeling like you are able to clean these items by yourself without having to bend down all the time. It's also lots of fun just filled with water to get a little one helping you to clean something that is easy for them. Sometimes when I have lots of jobs on my to-do list, I find it really helpful to group like jobs together. So even if I only need something in one bathroom, I'll make sure I top it up in all of my bathrooms, or tackle all of my mirrors in one go. That way I know that everything in the whole house is done. messy my house is, sometimes I like to just start with a job that I find really satisfying. This just helps me to stay on track and encourages me to keep tackling all those little jobs that need to be done. Scent is a big thing for me, and I'm always amazed at how much more I get done when I simply have some sweet scents in the air. Laundry is one of those spaces that, try as I might, it just backs up sometimes, and so I like to spend a little bit of time tackling it one load at a time, and also just spending some time deep cleaning my laundry. I think of it as setting the foundation that once this room feels peaceful, it's so much easier to tackle these jobs. There is something magical about fresh air and just opening a window or a door, and resetting a space is a great way to feel less overwhelmed. Days are so busy and full of to-do lists, but I always like to finish off my day. Even if I don't get everything ticked off my to-do list, I like to take a moment to sit down and enjoy the slow, even if it's just for 5 minutes.